Well, hello everyone. It's been a while, hasn't it? Today I shall be talking about one of my projects I've been meaning to talk about for a while. This one, we called it Alpine V2. So we saw earlier that there was an old house that we renovated and we tried to sell it, but the market was really low at the time. So we decided, you know what, let's just knock it down and build a house on it. So we did build a single residence on that with the top of the line finishes, some really great architectural features that are unique for that area. And how did the whole project turn out? Well, let's have a look. The front of the house does have some architectural details, but it has been kept simple intentionally, so it's low maintenance. The retention wall, while being functional, we took the opportunity to turn it into a feature as well with planter boxes built into it. As we enter the house, the first thing there is the formal lounge and the hallway with the super high ceiling. On the left hand side, there are 4 bedrooms, and then comes the main living area. So this is the layout of the property. Opposite to the bedrooms, there is the main bath and also the laundry, which doubles as a bathroom as well. For those working from home, having clients wait in the formal lounge with such architectural detail, we thought would be a nice touch. The first bedroom is made such that it resembles an office room as well, so someone could potentially run a business from there, or just use it as a bedroom as it was intended. The other 3 bedrooms down the hallway are reasonably sized and have built-in wardrobes wall to wall. These are easterly facing, so during the morning it's nice and bright. The common bathroom is fairly spacious and it utilizes the wet area, dry area design. The main features of this bathroom is the composite stone bathtub and also the hexagonal pattern tiles. Back to the hallway again. One of the architectural detail of this hallway are those windows right at the top. They are westerly facing, so when the sun is setting, it brings in the last light of the day, and hence the lighting feature chosen near there are chrome intentionally. So when the light reflects against those, it creates quite a bit of a light show during the last few minutes of the day. The hallway is positioned intentionally in the center as well, so it is visible from almost anywhere in the house, including the backyard. And then we have the main living area. One of the key features of this house is that throughout it is polished concrete, which is very clean and hygienic to maintain. The living area features a number of things, including a fireplace, a light pendant which is large but suited for the area. The kitchen itself is a feature which we will talk about in a moment. But the true luxury of this space, which money can buy, is the amount of space there is in this area. Let me remove the furniture to give you an idea of the space. Also, the ceiling is raked and it rises in height and reaches a top of 4.4 meters. This is something that I'm afraid on camera is not doing justice to what it is really like to be there. Next, let's talk about the kitchen. This house features 2 gas stoves, 2 ovens, 1 electric and 1 gas, a steam oven, 2 microwaves, and a few other items, all of which has been hand-picked and they're all top of the line. And then there are attention to detail like a copper sink which is matched with kitchen mixer with rose gold accents. And then the pendant, which is right on top of all this, also has rose gold accents. The 2-tier design of this kitchen was a big hit with the buyers as well. There is a significant volume for storage, and we can never have enough storage now, can we? The two doors that we can see side by side, on the right there is the butler's pantry, which we will look at shortly, and on the left we created a multi-function room, so to speak. It can function as a dedicated bedroom, there is sufficient room for that, or it can be a storage room for the house given the proximity to the kitchen and other areas. The butler's pantry is a mini kitchen in and of itself. It has its own oven and the exhaust system is ducted out, so you could be cooking here anything like simmer something for a long time or something like that. Now let's start to step outside. There is a sliding door that opens up nice and wide, and we have the alfresco area. And one of the features of this alfresco area is that it also has a fully functional kitchen, including a sink, a cooktop and oven. Also comes with a bar fridge. And because it is outdoors, we decided to keep it with this stainless steel finish. The backyard has been kept as low maintenance as possible, with a featured seating area if you wanted to enjoy the sun or something. This also has LED lights built into it, so at night you could turn that on, and that would be a nice feature if you wanted to entertain outdoors as well. And now the master bedroom. One of the features of this bedroom is that it has higher than average ceiling at 3 meters high. It also has a window and a sliding door in the eastern and the western facing side, so no matter which time of the day, there is always natural light available in this room. Now we look at the walk-in robe. This one I'm particularly proud of because this one I assembled myself, the whole lot, every detail. It was one of those no expenses spared sort of a thing, so that it would really do justice to a house of this caliber. At least in this suburb there aren't many like this, and the scale of it as well. As we go in, there is a sitting area with wall-to-wall bench space, with wall-to-wall mirror as well, with a featured pendant above. So it is really one of those glamorous places where one would go and get ready like a king or a queen. Finally, the ensuite. This is one of my favorite as well. It turned out very nice, also featuring the wet and dry separate areas, and it has the high ceilings from the main bedroom as well, so when you're standing at the mirror you can sense the volume of the space. So that's the tour of the house complete. Now, this being property technical, we take learnings from these projects, and that includes selling the property or getting it off the ground from the council, and building of the house, and various other technical things that we can learn from the start till the end of the project until the property is sold and settled. So if you have any questions, by all means let me know and I'll answer them in the future videos. To give you an example, the cost of building these high ceilings were about $20,000. Now, is it worthwhile to put that investment in at that point in time and that location? Well, that's debatable, but that's what we do in this channel. Well, that was really something, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video. By all means, please subscribe so I'll be encouraged to bring more videos like this one. And when I do publish more videos in the near future, I hope to see you in that one. Until then, you take care of yourself.